everybody, how you doing? Well, I am in my front yard working on my headlights. One thing that has happened over the years, I've had this car, I don't know, 6-7 years now, is I got a big old cloudy headlight accumulated over time. The good people over at Headlights Restore sent me over these restoration kit to clean it and fix it, make it brand new again. So I was reading the instructions, going through the tutorials on the videos and everything. And one of the unfortunate things about this headlight is the fact that it is pretty worn down. So what I'm going to need to do is I need to sand it down. So I figured I'd bring you along for the ride, you guys. I went ahead and already took the liberty and put some tape on here to protect my paint so overdone. But what I'm going to do is start it off with 1500 sandpaper, sand it down here, and pretty much let's get started.
If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
Now what these are little sandpaper mats. I use these for other projects, as far as for just in the garage stuff. So unfortunately I had these on hand. And what we're doing is we're going left to right with the 1500. See, it's making a nice little amount of soot all over this here. That actually worked pretty easy, pretty quick. All right, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to jump into 2000 grit. Oh, now this way we want to go up and down actually. We want to go a different way of the grain. We want to do this until the soot is gone. Actually, that's come out really nice. Alright. Now, since I have it, it might be a little overkill, but we're going to jump into the next one I got that I can use here, which is 3200. What the heck? Again, I'm pretty sure it's overkill. You don't need to do it, but if I got it, I'm going to use it. This one I'm going to go at an angle. Oh yeah, the soot is a lot cleaner now. Before when I was doing it, it was really cloudy soot. Okay, so one of the things it does say more than once is don't do it when it's hot. It's about 65 degrees right now here in Arizona. It's going to get warmer today. I took the liberty to put some gloves on because I do not know what kind of chemicals are in these things, so I figured I'd just go ahead and do it. Now inside the box you have 1 and 1 and then number 2. So it's pretty basic. You got the cleaning the headlights and then the protection of the layers. So what I've done is, again, I've sanded it, cleaned it, and we're going to, it's still very cloudy. We're going to open this up. It says actually open the layers. Oh, it's got a very pungent smell. It looks like a towelette. And we're going to wipe. We got 2 of them meant for each headlight. So I got this one here. We want to just go ahead and wipe it down, clean it. We're going to let it dry. That's what it says, right? So open the first packet, using the wipe provided, dry the headlight. I've done that already. It looks slightly, we got to, so wipe it down. Alright, so we got to do this, and then we got to wipe it down with a paper towel. Alright, there's our paper towel. Okay, I'll let that dry a second. I'm going to do the other headlight real quick. Alright, so now this, and it's got instructions all over the place, which is great. On the back on here, keep out of reach of children, harmful if swallowed. So don't swallow this. Open pack 2, do not unfold, and it's in capital letters. And thoroughly wipe both headlights with the wipe provided. The headlights are now good as new. Do not touch the headlights or avoid getting them wet for 30 minutes. I already washed the car. It's not supposed to rain or snow or anything, so we're good there. Do not wash the car for 24 hours, which I don't need to do. And to speed drive, which I don't need to worry about, turn the headlights on. Alright, so do not unfold. Okay. Let's see what this does, people. It's a lot clearer and a lot better than it was, that's for sure. Ooh. Smells like a solvent. Well, at first glance, they look great. 100% better than they were. I'm a little skeptical on what it's going to do, but I got some streaks here from where I originally sanded it, but it was pretty bad. But overall, my friends, this is a heck of an improvement. I mean, I could actually see the headlight now. Literally, when I'm driving at night, it was actually getting somewhat dangerous because it was so foggy I couldn't see the illumination of my light in front of me. So I'm excited. I cannot thank enough the headlights restoration people that sent this out. HeadlightRestore.us. Their website is, again, HeadlightRestore.us. I will have the link in the bottom of the video. And we'll get you updated on future aspects of how it went. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hey, everybody, how you doing? I just want to give you a quick update on the headlights. So the protective cover I put over it seemed to be more like a tacky filament plastic cover. It actually was really cool. So it went over the thing. Now, again, with the streaks, you might be able to tell. You can see the streaks. I'm not sure if that's from the sanding or what, but it's been around, oh gosh, I did this about 2 weeks ago now, and they're heck still a lot cleaner than they were, 100% cleaner than they were, but I think maybe I should have sanded again a little bit more. Overall, I'm very happy with the product. It's not too exactly brand new, but that might be my error. I'm not really sure from the sanding itself. You could touch it now and you could actually tell, yeah, that it's definitely sanding streaks. So I think I should have sanded it more. And that's what I'm guessing I should have done. But overall, guys, for the cost of the product and how easy it was to use, I'm very satisfied with the merchandise. So anyway, hey, again, the link's down below. Give this product a try. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day, everyone.